Hi, how you doing? Matt Watson here from CarWow. So I'm sat in a BMW 420i and next to me is an Audi A5 40 TFSI, and we're going to have a drag race because you have asked for me to drag race some more normal cars, not very high-end performance cars. So here we are. Let me tell you about these cars. This has a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine with 184 horsepower and 300 newton meters of torque. It drives the rear wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. This car weighs in at 1,600 kilos and it costs in this M Sport trim £40,000. Now that Audi, it has a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine but with 190 horsepower and 320 newton meters of torque. However, it sends its power to the front wheels via a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox. Also, unlike this BMW, the Audi doesn't have launch control. It's a bit lighter than this BMW. It's 1,530 kilos. It's a bit cheaper as well. If you get the sport version, the entry-level version of that car, it starts from around £38,000. Anyway, we're going to have a drag race, but before we do, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. One last thing, please follow us on Instagram, CarWow. Simple. Loads of behind the scenes stuff and reviews. Actually, do you know what? I think we should have a sound check. So I'm going to rev up this BMW. Oh, I can rev it all the way to the red line. No soft limiter here. Let's try that Audi. Go on then, Audi, let's hear what you sound like. Bet it's got a soft limiter. Audi loves a soft limiter. Are you revving it? I can't hear anything.
I unfortunately am. It's just very soft limiter.
All right, that's enough of that. Let's just move on. It's embarrassing. Let's go on with the race.
Buying a new car? Then head to CarWow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. CarWow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I struggled for traction off the line. I'm going to do it again because he just bogged down. Your launch was awful.
Yeah, I mean, this holds at like 1,500 revs, if that.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, very even off the line. Not bad considering that's front wheel drive. Oh crap. Ah! I was not expecting this. Oh. Well, that is definitely that. Got beaten by the Audi. So you got off the line pretty well there, Audi, and then you just stayed ahead and kept on pulling.
I think that's the earliest I've ever had to come off the brake in order to charge a div on a gearbox, but yeah, I managed to do it.
So you said there's a delay between lifting off the brake and the car taking off, which you have to factor in when looking at the countdown. How long do you think that delay is?
Sometimes I go on 1, I think I was on 2 then, to be honest. It was a long old time between going off the brake and actually moving away.
Wow, 2 seconds delay of taking off. Well, when you got it right, you could see what happened. It beat the BMW. Wow.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Audi did the standing quarter mile in 15.1 seconds, while the BMW took 15.4 seconds.
Okay, now we're going to have a rolling race. And we're going to put the cars into comfort mode, and stability off, and normal drive for the gearbox. Rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Let's see what happens. Okay then, let's go. Let's get up to 50 miles an hour, and I'll call it in. 50. Cruising. 3, 2, 1, go. Very similar on kick down there. But that Audi is just going. No two ways about it. Seems like it's got the stronger engine. Oh, and it's keeping on pulling as well, past 100. All right, that's enough. I get the idea. I lost that. So how was that for you? Was the gearbox all right, kicking down? This was a bit slowish.
It seemed to wake up that time, to be honest. It was much quicker.
All right, kick down then. Obviously got ahead and stayed ahead.
Yeah, much snappier. It was good.
Now we're going to have another rolling race, but this time we're going to put the cars into manual mode and I'm going to put them in the sportiest settings. Right, you ready? Get into third, 50 miles an hour, manual shifting. Right, I'm going to count it in. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. This picked it up pretty good. Come on. Yeah, it is just edging past now. No, I think I've lost again. That's enough, I get the idea, you won that. Well, it was quite close to begin with, but then you just eased ahead.
Yeah, my extra 6 horsepower and 20 newton meters there, showing what it does best.
And you're slightly less weight as well.
Sorry, I've got that.
Okay, then brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the line, full emergency stop. Right, here we go. We're at 70. Gone all northern. Don't know why. Where's the line? It's getting dark now. I can barely see. Where's this line? Oh, there it is. Yes, I want one. And I lost my radios down here. Almost went under the brake pedal. That wouldn't have been good, would it? Clear to see I won that. Yay me.
Did.
Yep. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Let me know in the comments below whether you'd like to see some more normal car drag races. And if you would, please suggest some of the lineups and I'll check that out. Also, please make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already and hit the bell icon to turn in notifications on. That way you will not miss a single upload. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram @CarWow. Dead simple. We do loads of behind the scenes stuff and reviews and things like that, and car news stories there as well. Anyway, enough about all of that kind of stuff. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time.